I am going to teach you how to paint a chicken. It's really simple. You start off with a tilted circle and then you add 3 little triangles depending on the position you want. And to get that color, you just use blue and a little bit of water. I am using acrylic in this mural, so that's what I'm using. Alright, step 2 is you mix red and blue with a little bit of white to get the darkest shadow part of the chicken. And as you notice, that shadow right there is also the same color. Obviously, it depends on the surface that you're on, but normally it's going to be that red and blue plus a little bit of white. You're getting a little purple. That's the shadow that you're always going to get. Alright, step 3 is just to fill in that shape you already made. You're going to use red and yellow, more yellow than red, but again, if you want it more brown, you add a little bit of brown. Now that color you use to make the base, you're going to use again, you're going to lighten it with either yellow or white. That is the only 2 ways you can lighten any color. And then you start putting out where you want the light to hit the chicken. This is roughly what it will look like. I have kind of noted here where I want the light to hit on the chicken. And the final step is to add the detail and highlights. That is yellow with a lot of white, but again, on picture it looks white, but in person it's really yellow. It's like a yellowish white. And then you just add the beak, the feet, and the little red thing, and you're set. And this is how the final mural came out. And that's what the mural looks like. You can't even see the chickens from here, but because the mural is so big. But in person, I'm telling you, the chickens are like that big and the cows like that big. It's very cool. You're welcome. I just taught you how to paint a chicken. You could at least like and follow. You're welcome.